Well, hi, welcome back one more time to finish up our discussion of our challenge problem number 9. We've got Haley playing a game where she's drawing marbles out of a bag. Let's take a look at part D. Okay, so part D, what have we got? So n is equal to 5, so I have 5 marbles in the bag. There's n marbles in the bag, 2 of which are blue. So I've got 5 marbles in total. I want to know the probability the game will end on her 4th draw. So I want to know what's the probability that the first blue marble happens on the 4th draw. So I want to know probability when I get blue on the 4th draw. Okay, well, let's think about what that means. Because remember, the game ends as soon as she draws blue. Well, if I want her to go all the way out to the 4th, well, what has to happen on the first draw? Well, on the first draw, she has to draw not blue. And what has to happen on the second draw? Well, again, I mean, if she pulls a blue, the game's over. We need it to keep going, which means she, again, has to draw not blue. And third draw has to be not blue. And what's going to have to happen on that 4th draw? The 4th draw is when I want her to draw a blue. So let's see what this is going to look like. So, not blue. Well, when we first start, how many not blue marbles are there? Well, I know 2 are blue. There's 5 total. So 3 not blue out of 5 total. And now I need another not blue. But remember, she already pulled out a not blue. So if I have my bag over here, my black pen ran out, so we'll make our bag be orange. And I have 2 blue marbles, and then the rest of them are not blue marbles. So she already pulled out one of the not blue marbles. She pulled it out, she set it aside. So now, how many not blue are there? Well, now there's 2 not blue. How many total? There's 4 total. Well, okay, well, that second draw, she also pulled out a not blue marble. So now she's got 2 not blue marbles out of the bag sitting next to her. So how many not blue marbles are left? Well, now there's only 1 not blue marble left. How many total marbles are there? Now there's 3 total. And now she wants a blue. Well, okay, remember, she pulled out all the not blue. She pulled out 1, 2, 3 not blue marbles, which means all of the not blue marbles are outside the bag. So how many blue marbles are in the bag? 2. But how many total marbles are in the bag? There are 2 total marbles. So as it turns out, this very last one, this very last probability ends up being 1. Like once she gets down to this point in time, like there's a 100% chance, like there's no other option. On that 4th draw, she's going to pull out a blue marble. Like there's no other color in there. So it turns out this does not impact our calculation at all because this is just 1. So what I've got here is I've got 3/5 times 2/4 times 1/3. If you want to reduce the 2/4 to 1/2, go for it. Times 1. But remember, anything times 1 is itself. So actually, I don't even need that 1 there. It's kind of invisible. So when I multiply, I'm going to multiply straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. So 6 out of 60, or 1 out of 10, or 0.1. And there you have it. There is our problem number 9. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me.